Welcome back to The Explainer. Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we're unpacking a piece of source material that tackles a massive shift we're all feeling: the analytical future, AI, and the human element. If you work with data, manage a team, or just operate in any modern workplace, you've definitely felt the tremors of this shift. We're going to explore exactly what this means for you and your career.
We're addressing the elephant in the room right at second zero. Will AI replace data analysts? It's a blunt question, isn't it? But it's the exact question driving this massive wave of what we can really only call AI anxiety across industries worldwide. When we see huge leaps in generative AI, algorithms writing code, running regressions, spitting out charts in literally the blink of an eye, it's incredibly easy to look at your own desk and wonder, man, is my seat next? Today, our goal is to take that very raw, very real anxiety, strip away the sensationalism, and look at the actual mechanics of what's happening.
Section 1. The Big AI Question. To uncover the reality of our analytical future, we first need to deconstruct this existential dread head-on.
Notice one specific word in that question: replace. And this brilliantly illustrates the fundamental tension we're dealing with today. The concept of total replacement is terrifying. It implies a one-to-one swap, where a machine sits in your chair, metaphorically speaking, and does your exact job start to finish, leaving you entirely obsolete. But is that actually what the source material is pointing toward? Or are we kind of conflating replacement with something entirely different, natural evolution? If we look back through history, every major technological leap has sparked this exact same dialectic. The calculator didn't replace the mathematician, right? It freed them up to do higher-level calculus. So we need to figure out if AI is the ultimate job stealer or simply the ultimate calculator.
Section 2. Rise of the Machine. Let's move to and see how this builds into our thesis as we explore artificial intelligence as a wildly powerful analytical tool. Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is how clearly it isolates cold computation from human judgment. AI absolutely dominates in processing speed, sheer volume, and instantaneous pattern recognition. Like if you need to sift through 10 million rows of customer data to find an anomaly, the machine is going to beat you every single time. It's not even a contest. But conversely, humans excel at context, strategy, and ethics. The machine can find a pattern, sure, but it has absolutely no idea why that pattern matters in the real world. It doesn't know that a sudden dip in sales correlates with a localized supply chain issue that your vendor mentioned to you over coffee last Tuesday. The machine has the data, but you have the world.
Section 3. The Human Element. This is where the narrative shifts from replacement to immense, undeniable value.
The human element is defined here as the irreplaceable application of context, intuition, and communication in knowledge work. So the crucial point is that algorithms, no matter how advanced they get, fundamentally lack these intrinsic human qualities. A neural network cannot read the room during a tense board meeting. It cannot synthesize the unspoken political dynamics of a company when presenting a new budget allocation. And it definitely cannot exercise intuition based on years of lived human experience. These aren't just soft skills, folks. These are the deeply complex, highly sophisticated cognitive processes that make knowledge work actual knowledge work, rather than just rote data processing.
Human traits turn raw pattern recognition into actionable strategy. I really want you to let that sink in for a second. Without you, an AI's output is just a really fast, really accurate pile of trivia. Think about a retail analyst trying to forecast winter apparel sales. The AI might flag a historical trend showing lower coat sales in November, suggesting, a severe budget cut. But the human analyst? They know a massive, unseasonably warm front hit the region last year, completely skewing the data, and that this year's forecast actually predicts record cold. Your ability to understand that nuance, to grasp the overarching business context, and to override the algorithm, that is precisely what makes you irreplaceable by a bot. The AI hands you the puzzle pieces at lightning speed, but you are the only one who knows what the picture on the front of the box is supposed to look like. You bridge that gap between digital output and human action.
Section 4. The Analytical Future. Let's move to and see how this builds as we reach the climax of our explainer, merging both components together.
Here is your roadmap for surviving and honestly thriving in this evolution. The future isn't a battleground, it's a collaborative ecosystem. AI handles the heavy lifting, the crazy data volume, and the mind-numbing speed of computation. That takes the rote, robotic tasks completely off your plate. Then you step in. You, the human, inject the context and the ethics. You ensure the data is used responsibly, strategically, and effectively. This proves that the analytical future is not an extinction event for the data analyst. Not at all. It's an integration. Collaboration fundamentally replaces the fear of substitution. You aren't competing with the tool, you're commanding it.
Which brings our narrative beautifully full circle. The answer to all that anxiety, the exact balance we've been searching for during this entire explainer, was hidden right there in the title of our source text all along. The Analytical Future, AI and the Human Element. It was never AI versus the human element. It's the powerful, absolutely necessary combination of both. The technology elevates the analyst, and the analyst grounds the technology.
So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. AI won't replace you, but will someone using AI replace you? The machine isn't your true competitor. Your competitor is the analyst who learns to leverage this technology faster and more effectively than you do. The future belongs to those who embrace the tool while doubling down on their inherently human skills. So the real question isn't whether you'll be replaced by code, but how quickly you're going to adapt to working alongside it. Think about that as you head back to your desks today. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, keep adapting, and I'll catch you next time.
If you found this documentary helpful, subscribe to the channel for more deep explorations into artificial intelligence, future technology, science, and the hidden forces shaping our world.